How to add a C#.NET PDF API to your desktop application. In this video, we'll get started creating a simple application that uses our PDF API. This video focuses on quickly creating a PDF application with Windows. We'll cover installing document solutions for PDF, creating a project, setting up references, and adding a simple control. First, in Visual Studio, create a new .NET Console application. Select your targeted framework and create the project. Next, click on the Tools menu at the top, hover over NuGet Package Manager, and choose Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. This will open the NuGet Package Manager. In the package source on the top right, choose NuGet.org. Click the Browse tab on the left and search for ds.documents. In the left panel, choose ds.documents.pdf. After the installation is complete, navigate to the NuGet folder in the Solution Explorer and confirm that the required packages have been added to your project. Next, add the necessary namespaces. Include grapecity.documents.pdf to work with the GC PDF document object, and include grapecity.documents.text to add and work with text in the GC PDF document. First, we'll create a document object of type GC PDF document. Then we'll add a new page to that object and set the graphics object to point to the new page so that you can draw elements on the page graphics. When adding text, you can use the text format object to set properties like font and font size. So let's do that now. Draw a text string on the page graphics using the text format properties defined above. Here we also set the pixel point position on the PDF to determine where we want the text displayed. Finally, save the document to PDF. Now let's run the application to generate the PDF. We can view it by navigating through our project folder. To learn more about document solutions for PDF, be sure to check out our demos on developer.meshius.com/demos.